Hey fellas of YouTube land, I'm trying something new today. Something I haven't done on this channel so far, and that is a small update video. Something I think I'm going to start doing more often. Just to kind of give you an idea of what's going on at the house. Cars, trucks, everything is right now in this driveway. What the hell is this? This would be an AMC Eagle that was prepped for the demolition derby that I just so happened to get my hands on. A quote of maybe rescuing it from the derby. Yeah, I mean, you know, some people, the purists, might be saying, why the hell are you going to be derbying this thing? For one, I'm not going to derby it. It's against my DNA to derby anything AMC. Although I am an avid derby goer. I do love demolition derbies. Just, I don't like smashing AMCs. I saw this one for sale on Facebook Marketplace. And I'm like, hell, you know, even if I could never save a derby car, put it back on the road, I could at least make it some kind of fun machine. That's what this one's gonna be. It just has the look of pure destruction and just awesome fun on it. Well, anyway, we bought this yesterday, brought it home last night. Smiley got the power washer off and thinks he's going to restore the car. No, I think it's actually going to go back to its flat black that it was originally. I actually kind of like that flat black. I think I might even keep the numbers that are on it. I'm not sure what we're going to name it. It sounds like we were thinking of naming it the Jolene that was on it. But the guy that we bought it from One Goose Garage, said that Jolene is his ex-girlfriend or something. And he doesn't care. Anyway, we got it home last night and we tried to get it running. Actually found out that the engine was seized, partially seized. And we were trying to work on that, trying to get it unseized. And there will be quite a fun video about that. In fact, there will be quite a few, I'm going to call it a series of building this thing up. It's probably going to be some kind of fun machine. I'm not going to give anything away, the plans that I have for this thing. But it's going to be a fun machine. We'll just go with that. Yeah, the hood that's on it was not on it. The one that came with it, this is not the one. The one that was on it has a huge hole cut in it. And as you might have guessed, a huge hole right above the intake, and that's how water got into the engine and seized it. But the engine's free now, as of last night. Just that we weren't able to get it to fire yet. With a capital Y, yet. But stay tuned if you want to see more on this fun machine.